Alright guys, so hey, welcome back to the channel. It's your Barbara back again with another video, and let's really start with the first step. So first thing first, it's super easy. The lyrics will go like Dhum I hear it to the didn't take it. Let's really see what you need to do over here. Basically, we'll be catching the bass first. You'll be just going with your left hand, right hand, and chug. Alright, and people are also doing onto your right side, right, left, chug. If you're comfortable with this side, you can do it. But the creator is doing onto your left side, so left hand, right hand, chug, like that. The lyrics will go like Dhum I hear it, Dhum, come back, like that. Alright, the first one we are catching the bass, as I said, Dhum I hear it, chug, come back. And then as soon as you come back, you have to keep your right onto your toe. You have to just keep moving your hips, and your hands will be just doing this thing. I don't know what this thing called as. You'll be just taking a bath or something kind of that. Just go la 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 la. Keep shaking your hip up down, up down. Your hands will go like that, and the lyrics will say going to your right, to your left. On that we'll be having a bass drop. You'll be just going like boom. You have to drop it, your body like full of energy, go down, roll, and while doing this thing you can go down. What we are doing basically, you're just going slowly, how with your hip, and if you want to roll your hip also, you can roll it like that even. It's up to you guys. So you gotta go, boom, I hear it, chick, come back, whoo, take bath, go to your right, left, 4 times. You have to do this, and then you have to go like hoo cha. Let's quickly see what you need to do over here. Basically, this step was super trending on TikTok in 2020, so you just gotta go woo like that. Basically, you'll be just tapping your right, leaning your body, and shake your body with your legs like that, and your hands will go chapak. Clap it again. You have to go. We are going to do it 2 times. So you gotta go from the top with it. Doom doom chak, sha ra 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 ra, drop. And a drop, drop, and a drop, go right, lean your body, clap, right again, clap. Perfect. Now let's quickly try till here on the slow music so that you'll get the idea of the music even, right? Let's go, come on. Let's go guys, 5, 6, 7, 8. Check, go, and drop. And right again. Perfect guys, you guys have been killing it out there. Let's quickly go forward. As soon as you do chak 2 times, you have to turn like this and pretend like you're driving a horse, but you'll be not doing this thing with that. You have to take your hip out, back, hip out, back. 4 times you have to do it, but meanwhile you'll be tapping your hand, back, and hand, back, like that. Alright, you'll be just catching a chuck, come back, chuck, come back. Whenever you go forward, you have to chuck, come back, chuck, come back. 2 times you have to do it, but make sure that you're keeping your right also straight. So you will get it, boom, boom, check, and drop, drop, and 4 times, go right, chuck, turn, cha, and cha, come back, like that. Alright, and then as soon as they do that, you have to tap your right, hold it like this, left, roll, right, and left, and that's all. What we are doing over here, we are just tapping it, turning this side, tapping onto a toe, this side, roll, tap, and roll, and that's all. Over here you have learned it. Let's really try it from the top on the counts once, and then I'll play the slow music. It goes 5, 6, 7, 8. I hear it, boom, boom, cha, and I walk, and drop, drop, 4 times, and drop, go right, clap, and a right, clap, change, cha, come back, cha, come back, and go right, left, right, left. Perfect. Now let's quickly try it from the top till the non-slow music. Come on, real quick. Let's go guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go, wash, 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 go, drop, again, ha, bend your body and change, change, Perfect, guys. You guys are killing on the slow speed. Let's quickly give a little more speed. Let's quickly go to 60x speed. Come on, let's do it. Let's go, guys. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Right. And boom. Bend your body. Very nice. Keep doing right leg. Ooh, clap. Fame. Pa 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 pa. Change. Change. Perfect, guys. You guys are killing this speed. Even now, let's killing a little more speed. Let's quickly go to 80x speed. This will be kind of like normal, but I hope you got this. Come on. Let's go, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop. Bend your body. And clap. Right leg. Clap. Right leg. Change. Go. Ha. Ha. And perfect, guys. You guys are killing this speed even. And with that being said, if this TikTok tutorial helped you a little bit, I hope it did. Like this video. I'll aim this video to get only around like 200 likes. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's quickly try it on a normal speed.